Hey everybody, it's Danny here from Angel Handmade Papercraft. Today I have an unboxing video. So Nikki from Hedgehog Hollow has asked me to guest design for September. Unfortunately this package did arrive to me. It took a little bit longer than what we were expecting. So this is the September box. Alright, so let's have a look. Okay. So we've got a few stamp sets here. See if I can get my finger under there. Just put this box to the side. Okay, so this is the feather envelope seals. Gorgeous. We have the peacock silhouette and sentiments. It's got some really nice sentiments on there with sympathy, your wings were ready, my heart was not, be your own kind of beautiful. Really nice. It's got a really nice font to it as well. This is, what's the name on this one? This would be the feather borders, I think. It doesn't actually say on it, but I'm pretty sure it's the feather borders. So they're absolutely gorgeous as well. Very, very detailed, which is nice. This is the corners and feathers. Again, super, super adorable. And then we have the feather background and peacock. Again, it's the same sentiment on the same font on these ones as well. It's really, really pretty. I love this, she dreamt she could, so she did. I really like that. Okay, so that's all the stamp sets. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stamp sets in total. Okay, we have some envelopes. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 envelopes. Really nice. It's not quite a craft colour, it's a browny grey colour, which is really pretty. We have some pearlescent vellum, which is really nice. We have a Swedish fish lolly. And we have some cardstock. So you've got the dark blue, the lemon, it's kind of like an aqua green, and a really pretty pink. We've got some card bases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you've got 6 card bases as well. And then your cardstock will fit perfect to one side. So that's that. That's the unboxing video. I will have some cards up as soon as I can. We've had a crazy, crazy week here. So that's everything. So I will see you soon with some videos on some cards, and enjoy. Bye.